Hello, and welcome to 2 Minute Art Talks. I am Michael Carini. The other day somebody asked me, is it better to make the work that you feel or the work that is marketable? And the truth is, it really depends on what your journey is. Now for me, I like to make the work that I feel. And even though I do this for a living, even though this is my job, I still focus on making the work that I feel. I do recognize that in doing so, sometimes I avoid some of the market trends that could help me to sell more work. So I understand that I'm kind of putting myself in a hole by limiting what I am willing to do. So I'm always willing to kind of bend, but not to break, because I'm a big believer that when you're making the work that you feel, when you're putting your heart and your soul into it, people will connect with that. Maybe not as many people, but the right people will. And when you can base your work on an emotional connection, that is a deep bond. Those are the people that will follow you for a long period of time. Now, that's not to say that if you make work that is marketable, that there's anything wrong with that. There have been times that I've actually thought, well, if I painted this or if I painted that, like if I did more flowers or if I did more animals like I used to do, because I used to be known as the dog guy, I could probably make millions of dollars. But my heart and my soul wouldn't be in the work, and so I wouldn't be enjoying what I'm doing. Would I like the money? Yeah, I'd probably like the money. But I kind of enjoy just doing my thing and trusting that people will come in due time and that people will follow me, and that what I am doing right now, even though it doesn't always fit the contemporary dialogue or the conversation of what's in, that it will make its way into that conversation in the context of art history. So I'm curious though, do you make the work that you feel, or are you making the work that's marketable? Again, I don't think there's anything wrong with either way, and sometimes it is a balance, but for me, I always like to make sure that I feel what I am making. Thank you, and join me next time.